All right, trying out the Viair 440 I just got. Pretty quiet, which is nice. And we just did it. Let's see how long we are. Huh? Back right, yeah. Looking for about 30. It's at about 17 right now. Make sure we're getting in here good. Where are we at? 23? To give us an idea, from 17 to 29 or 30. 25? Okay, it's gonna fill pretty fast. Just doing this because I have a timer on here and I'll tell you how many seconds it took. So this is like watching paint dry. There's Jack, he's watching our PSIs. What are we at? 26? 26 in a minute. It took a minute to get to 26 from 17. That's pretty good. 27, all right. 28, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. About a minute and 13 seconds.